This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Lovely townhome on a corner lot in Summit Woods. This special property is filled with natural light and features 2 master bedrooms, each with an ensuite bath. There's an open concept floor plan and beautiful LVP flooring throughout the main level and on the stairs. The cheerful kitchen boasts custom Amish crafted cabinetry, granite countertops, and upgraded appliances. There's an easy flow between the living room, dining area and kitchen, and a convenient powder room. Ideal for entertaining as well as everyday living. The 2 bedrooms are on the upper level. Each have vaulted ceilings, ensuite baths, and walk-in closets. The laundry is perfectly situated on the same level as the bedrooms and baths. A large, covered porch offers a comfortable outdoor retreat, just 1 mile from Highway 37.